So the first thing we need to do before we start using POPGROUP is to ensure that Excel is set to accept macros. So the way that we do this is to go to File, to click on File, and then go down to the Options tag. What we can do then is go to Trust Center. We then need to alter the Trust Center settings. So we can do that by clicking on the appropriate tab. Now there are three things we have to check now. Firstly, under the ActiveX settings, we need to ensure that we have enabled all controls without restrictions and without prompting. The other two things we need to do are under macro settings. So if you select macro settings, we need to ensure that we enable all macros and that we trust access to the VBA project. So once we've done all of those things, we can just click on OK, and we're ready to start using POPGROUP.